Using Windows computers, and if you open Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, then you can see that you must use this shortcut code for creating a white circle symbol. That is, the shortcut code is Alt 9675. Okay, I will show you how to create this white circle shortcut using the alt code. So for doing this, go to your computer keyboard, and in this keyboard you can see that this is the number lock key. So you must simply press this number lock key. That is, now you can see that we have turned on the number lock. And the next step is you must go to your keyboard's left portion where you can see an alt key. So you must press and alt this alt key, so you did not remove your finger from this key. At the same time, you must type in this section 9675, and after typing that only you must release this your finger from this alt key. So if you type like this, then you can see that a white circle have been arrived. So this video helps you. For more videos like this, please subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. So if you are doing it in Microsoft Word, then if you simply select this one, and even you can change the color of this like this method, you can change the color also. Of this video helps you. For more videos, please subscribe Engineers World Online. Thank you.